Good Thursday morning, folks. It's December the 26th. It's about 7 a.m. Temperature 52 degrees with a northeast wind about 5. And it's chilly 52. Our projected high today will be 63. And perhaps these clouds will burn off, but this morning we're under some heavy cloud cover with a chance of some passing showers throughout the day. Also, we have a lot of new subscribers and welcome to the Navarre, Florida Fishing Channel. I certainly appreciate it. And for FYI, these reports are dedicated to being current, the most current information available from the pier. Every video clip you see in the report is from today, from the date mentioned on the report. I don't do any remixing from previous reports. And also, if I include some underwater video footage, that's also current. It's from today, from the day mentioned in the report. So thank you for watching Navarre, Florida Fishing Channel. I certainly appreciate it. So stay tuned for the full report and let's take a walk. Well, we've got a bit of a surf this morning. Perhaps some bluefish in the water.
And I was right, bluefish were caught through most of the day. So there weren't too many people out early due to the damp air and the dark skies. It looked like rain was about to come down anytime. So there weren't so many folks out, but that wind was blowing. It was gusting out of the east. So this gentleman hooks up with a pretty good sized bluefish, and it looks like he's got a good chance of landing it, but then the fish starts to run, so he has to keep up with the fish and move right. And then there was a lot of obstacles in the way. With all those obstacles, it allowed the line to go slack, as he was jumping over fishing rods and whatever was in his way. When he got the slack line, that gives the fish an opportunity to shake the hook, which it did.
Who's got it? Oh, you got it on this side.
And another bluefish. This is at mid-pier. And another big blue. This one also mid-pier. And over in the octagon, they were catching some pretty good sized bonitos, and they were using live bait. And at the octagon, this gentleman struggling to keep up with this large bonita that he has online, and moving and moving to the right, and a lot of folks in his way, and he ends up losing the fish, unfortunately. And this gentleman is hooked up with Bonito, and it's giving him a good fight. And this guy was using live cigar minnows for bait. He ends up losing it, unfortunately. There was a lot of that today for some reason. So on this clip, we start out with one bonita on line, and then we end up with two. And I believe one is lost and one is landed. And here's the bonita that they managed to put on deck. Another big bonita. This one they were able to bring on deck using a grappling hook. And there are obviously various sizes of these hooks, and they are sharp, so be careful, and be careful when you're around them. You don't want to fall and land on that thing. It's pretty sharp, and it's a long spear-like end to them, depending on size of the hook itself. But yeah, there are various sizes, and some really small ones I've seen. But this size right here that he's got, I think it's just about right, in my opinion, for out here on the octagon.
I've been killing the thread pins, son. Is that what you got them on? Yes, bro. They're all over there going, yeah. Can I take a picture with you? Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a fish.
Well, I hate to end it on a negative, but that's the way it turned out. Another lost fish. So the following clip is about the beach restoration project ongoing and in progress. And you can see what they're doing is replenishing the sand along the beach. In this clip, you can see the erosion of the beach. You can see how it's high there at the dunes and it dips down pretty drastically. So what they're going to do is run pipe from out in the Gulf, run some ships with pumps, operating pumps that bring the sand onto the beach, through pipes, just kind of like they do with a cement pumper in a construction site. And then they will spread the sand along the beach and closing sections of the beach as they go. Right now they're west of the pier and they're going to slowly close sections and lay more pipe and progress to the east of the pier. And this is known as the Beach Replenishment Project put on by the Santa Rosa County here in Florida. And the next clip is the work in progress, and hopefully it's helpful and you can visualize what's going on here. And a lot of people are concerned about the fishing, how it's going to affect the fishing. So check out this next clip.